Good day, future nurses. Good day, students. Health-related entrepreneur activities involves the development and management of health services or programs that promote wellness while generating sustainable outcomes. These activities combine nursing expertise, public health knowledge, and business skills to address community health needs. By creating innovative, accessible, and community-centered health solutions, such as wellness clinic, health education programs, and preventive care nurse services, nurses and health professionals can improve population health, empower communities, and contribute to the local economic development. Health-related entrepreneurship involves developing services that promotes health and wellness while addressing communities' needs. Community-based projects like Wellness Clinic offer accessible preventive and promotive care, helping people maintain their health and prevent illness. This initiative also provide opportunities for nurses and health professionals to apply their skills in sustainable, community-centered enterprises, combining health promotions with entrepreneurial innovations. Wellness clinics are healthcare facilities dedicated to preventive health services and holistic care. It emphasizes maintaining good health, preventive preventing illness, and promoting overall well-being rather than treating disease alone. Services often include health assessment, lifestyle counseling, fitness programs, nutritional guidance, and alternative therapies, all designed to support individuals and communities in achieving a healthier, more balanced life. Wellness clinics aim to promote healthy lifestyle and prevent diseases through accessible and community-centered services. They strive to provide affordable health and wellness programs that address local needs while encouraging active community participation in maintaining and improving health. At the same time, this clinic can generate income for health professionals, creating a balance between public service and sustainable entrepreneurship in promoting overall well-being. Wellness clinics offer a wide range of preventive and holistic services designed to improve overall health and quality of life. This may include nutrition counseling and weight management program to encourage healthy eating habits, physical fitness activities, and yoga sessions to promote physical well-being and stress management, and mental health support to enhance emotional resilience. Clinic may also provide health screenings and diagnostic tests for early detections of diseases, along with traditional and complementary therapies such as massage and acupuncture to support natural healing and relaxation. Wellness clinics cater to a diverse range of clients within the community. This includes a local residents seeking accessible healthcare services, school children and adolescents who need guidance on nutrition and healthy habits, and working professionals aiming to manage stress and maintain work-life balance. They also serve older adults and individuals with chronic conditions who require regular monitoring and preventive care, as well as women and mothers looking for maternal health support and wellness program to enhance their family's overall health. Community health nurses plays a key role in the operation and success of wellness clinic. They conduct health education sessions and provide lifestyle counseling to encourage healthy behavior. They also monitor vital signs, perform health screenings, and identify individuals at risk for illness. CHN develop wellness programs tailored to community needs, ensuring relevance of accessibility. They collaborate with other health professionals to deliver holistic and integrate care while promoting evidence-based and culturally sensitive practices that respect communities' values and traditions. Wellness Clinic thrives through active community involvement and collaborations. It is important to encourage community ownership by involving members in the planning and implementation programs, establishing partnership with local government units, non-government organizations, and private sectors enhance resource sharing and sustainability. Additionally, using community feedback helps improve services, ensuring that program remains responsive, relevant, and effective in addressing the community's evolving health needs. Future directions for health-related entrepreneurship including expanding innovative and accessible wellness services, Nurses can establish nurse-led wellness clinics or mobile health units to reach underserved areas. Offering a subscription-based wellness package can ensure continuity of care and sustainable income. Providing corporate wellness programs supports employee health and productivity, while developing digital platforms for tele-wellness consultations extend the health promotion services to a wider audience through technology-driven care. To ensure the sustainability and success of wellness clinic, several strategies can be implemented. Clinics should offer affordable services fee to make health service accessible while maintaining operational stability. They can seek funding or sponsorship from local businesses to support programs and outreach activities. Partnership with health organizations enhances credibility, resources, and services quality. Additionally, using social media platforms effectively promote wellness programs, educates the public, and increases community engagement. Despite their potentials, wellness clinics face several challenges that must be addressed for long-term success. These include limited financial resources and startup capital, which can hinder initial operations and expansion. There's often a shortage of trained personnel capable of providing specialized wellness and preventive services. Additionally, cultural resistance to preventive healthcare may affect participations and acceptance among community members. Finally, the need for continuous quality assurance and evaluation is essential to maintain service standards, client satisfactions, and overall program effectiveness. The establishment of wellness clinics brings several positive outcomes for both communities and health professionals. This includes improved community health awareness and preventive behavior, empowering individuals to take charge of their well-being. Wellness clinics also increase access to affordable and quality health services, especially in underserved areas. They contribute to the creation of employment and entrepreneurial opportunities for nurses and other health professionals. Ultimately, this initiative helped strengthen nurse-led community entrepreneurship, fostering innovations and sustainability in healthcare delivery. To advance health-related entrepreneurial neural activities, several strategies can be implemented. It is important to promote integrations of wellness clinic into the local health system, ensuring continuity and coordination of care. Public-private partnerships should encourage to expand service reach and resources availability. Supporting nurses entrepreneurs through training, mentorship, and financial assistance can enhance their capacity to deliver effective community-based services. Additionally, ongoing research on wellness initiative helps identify best practices, measure outcomes, and guide the development of sustainable and impactful programs. Wellness clinics demonstrate how health promotions and entrepreneurship can be effectively integrated to serve communities. They empower nurses and community members to actively participate in maintaining and improving overall well-being. When designed and managed sustainably, this program not only enhance public health outcomes, but also contribute to the local economic development, creating a model where health and enterprise mutually reinforce each other. So that is for our topic for today. Thank you for listening.